Okay, so how you connect to Visuals are the Azure database through Visual Studio Code. This is how. I put the instructions also on Blackboard. It says open VS Code, then go to extensions and search for SQL Server. So if I go here, this is extensions, and right here, SQL Server, and extend this so you can actually read them. And it said MSQL, this one. So just click install. And it says installing. It'll tell us when it's done. It's getting there. In the meantime, let's look at the instructions again. And that says install these. Um, you don't have to use that. You did that here. Okay. Open VS Code and press Control Shift plus P to open command palette. Type MSQL connect and select it. Add connection and so on. Okay. So it's all installed. I should be able to go back to, I should be able to go here, file. Wait, what did it say? Go back, look again, because I open VS Code, press Control Shift plus P. So go here, Control Shift P. And it said to, what was it? You would think I'd remember. I can't remember things. MS MSSQL So you're going to want to go all the way down to M's. And once we get down there, MSSQL add connection. I should be able to. I should be able to. I should be able to just go to File New. SQL Server Disable Marketplace. I don't know why it's doing this. Escape. So we say Control Shift P. Add connection. Okay. Why is this not working? Source control. Database projects, SQL Server. There we go. Sorry, you had to go down to SQL Server, add connection. If it lets me. Should be letting me. Escape up there. Hostname, instance server, blah, blah, blah. Let me go back here. Add connection, server name. You would have your server windows.net. So my Azure, if I open it, my server was NW Sanford. If I go back, cancel. If I go back here, if I go back here, I don't want that. Bear with me. I am looking. So let's go to dashboard, hit OK. I don't want to save that. I should be able to go to this. Once I'm there, I can copy this. It shows everything else I'm going to need anyway. So go back here. Host name server, Control V, hit enter. Database name was students2, enter. SQL login. I think that's what we wanted. Username, in my case, was Sanford. Hit enter. Password, for me, was password 001. Hit enter. Save password, might as well say yes. Profile name, I'm going to say MIS3200 just for the heck. Hit enter. That should give me my connection. And it does. There we go, people. That's how you do it. If you need to create a table, you can, you literally have to do it through code, I do believe. Because I don't think it, add connection, just verifying. I think you do have to do it through code. Same as views, you'd have to do it through code. So over here, you can open that window. You can say new query. New query opens here. You type in the code. Okay. Once you type in the code and stuff, you can script as create. You can script as drop. All that good stuff. You can, I believe, under columns, you can add more columns, stuff like that. But all of that's going to be done through SQL code, though, not just by right-clicking and creating new items. So VS Code works, but it is going to be more work as far as coding. Hope that helps. It does get you connected. I'll be providing all the code necessary, but if I was to say create Fred, and you would have to say, okay, so I'm creating this table, Fred, and then I have to specify fields, etc. If you don't remember how to do that, you can go here. Just do a create table in SQL. That very first W3 schools, like I said. If you look, all I need is a parentheses, the data type, and the column name. So if I went back here, I'd say create Fred, parenthesis, Fred ID, int, comma, Fred, name, car 50. That would specify the actual size of the column. Hold on, I gotta go back here because I'm missing something. No, I'm not. It said 50. Did I spell it right? Maybe I didn't. Car 50, semicolon. I didn't miss anything. Oh, create table. That's why. I just said create. So I got to hit create table. Sorry. Click run. It's going to run it. It goes out here. It says table created. If I click on tables, it did not update. You actually have to go through the process of updating. Let's change database. I think that was students 2. And there used to be a refresh. Where is refresh? Oh, I think I saw it. Refresh. There, sorry. So there's Fred. Click on that. There you go. If I click this, that's another thing. If I actually go out here, insert records, etc., etc. Okay? So insert into Fred, and so on. Okay? But that is how you connect and how you create your tables. And then we'll get to the rest. I showed you how to do queries as well. It's not as friendly. I think it's actually less friendly than the other online. So I'm going to open the web page again because in here I was watching somebody else, and it reminded me of something. I'm going to continue. I can't continue there. When you go to tables, in here, we can edit data. And when we edit data, you can create new row. So that's how we can enter data real simply in here. Okay. Same with this. You can go here, edit data. It'll take us. We can create new row, create new row, create new row, and so on. Okay. So hopefully this helps. I will post this and call it good.